So now that we have the skirt of our dress, we're going to do petal stitches on the sleeves. If you haven't already, go ahead and look at the playlist this video is in, and you'll be able to see the entire pattern for how to make this dress. This is the back side, this is the front side, and again, we've got lilies all over. So to add to that, I'm gonna make petal stitches, which just so you can kind of see, because I did it on this dress before in a different color. This is kind of what we're gonna be doing. It's gonna be just shell stitches all the way around the sleeves. So you're gonna start right at the bottom of the armpit in the front. And then in the first double crochet, you're gonna do 5 double crochets and then a slip stitch. I'm gonna skip one and slip stitch. Then again, I'm gonna skip one and then I'm gonna yarn over. I'm gonna do 5 double crochets. Once you're done with those 5, you're going to skip one and then slip stitch into the next. And you're going to do this all the way around. Then when you get to the very bottom of the hole, you're just going to single crochet across. Just so you can kind of see what that looks like in a different color so it stands out a bit better in the video. This is another dress that I've made. You can see I've got the petal stitches all the way around and then single stitches right there at the bottom. So this is what you're going to be doing all the way across. And then once you're finished, you just need to again add a button in the back and a button loophole, and you're ready to go, and the dress would be finished. So good luck.